Hey everyone, my name is Tony and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can replace SketchUp textures and materials in a matter of seconds. Let's dive in. So oftentimes when you import models into SketchUp, they likely all have UV mapping information, but are simply missing the actual texture files. Now this often happens when a model was saved with an absolute file path or when the texture file is no longer in the expected folder. So there's no texture information being linked back to the model. So what ends up happening is you bring in a model and you end up with one base color for each different material with no UV coordinate information. And to map this properly, you will have to rely on many other extensions to get the correct mapping. So Skimp offers a very solid solution to this workflow. If you go into your settings, let's enable apply UV texture, and this is going to preserve the UV values and provide a texture placeholder for the materials that are supposed to be in this 3D model. Let's update our settings, and next time you import a model, you'll notice that there's a placeholder for each different material in this model. And just for comparison, you can see that we were able to bring in something like this with solid colors, with a model like this with UV coordinate information and a texture placeholder. And when I sample these materials, you can see that we have fabric 1, fabric 2, and fabric 3. And now we can start to load textures in these materials. So I'm going to activate replace texture tool. Make sure to always pay attention to these shortcuts as they provide some very useful key features. I'm going to hold Control to load a new texture. And that loads one for this material. And if we want to edit the scale of the texture, sample using the SketchUp bucket tool and adjust the value here. So let's change that to 1/2 inch. So let's repeat the same for the other textures. This is fabric 2. Once again, hold Control to add a new texture, sample the material, and we'll load fabric 3. A couple other materials here, so let's just cover these as well. Now 3D models might always come with extra textures, so make sure you inspect the model properly and make sure you load textures in all the materials. So next, I want to show you how quickly you can swap textures with the replace texture tool. Let's remember that we have fabric 1, fabric 2, fabric 3, and now fabric 4 with the extra object that I brought in. So let's activate our tool. And if I wanted to bring this texture over to here, I can hold Alt to sample that texture. And without holding any other shortcuts, paint on another material and update the texture in that material. So this remains fabric 1, but the texture in that material is updated to texture 2. Which is the texture in this material. Once again, this remains fabric 1 and this remains fabric 4. So let's undo and repeat with a different material. Activate the tool, hold Alt to sample the material, and now I'm going to paint over fabric 3. Once again, this remains fabric 3, but the texture is updated to texture 2. So something very important to keep in mind. Now, if I wanted to completely swap the material, select my tool, hold Alt to sample my material, but this time I'm going to hold Shift. The paint bucket icons changes, and now when I paint over this material and I sample it, this material has now been replaced by fabric 3. So these shortcuts make it really easy to swap materials. For example, I can sample fabric 2, put over fabric 4, and I can sample fabric 3 and put it over fabric 1. This allows me to swap materials between 3D objects while maintaining the UV coordinate information of each material. And another key feature of the replace texture tool is that you can remove textures. So if I activate my tool and hold Control and Shift, I can remove the textures and take that material back to its base color. So hold Control Shift and click to remove material. And we basically end up with something very similar to our first model. And that's going to be all for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed that in-depth tutorial using the replace texture tool. If you want to get skimp, don't forget to check the links in the description, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.